What's up, it's Sam from Misfit Garage, and today we're going to go over this Pro XP A-pillar mount, and I'll show you how it installs. So here we go. First step is to obviously pull up the rubber boot. I already did that. And then you get a 15 mil socket and just run these out. So the A-pillar comes with these washers. It's a 2-stack that goes in between the bracket and the cage bung. So it fits in just like that. Then you thread on your nuts and you go ahead and tighten them down. Go ahead and fold this down. We've also heard that some of these rubber boots on the Pro XPs have a little flange piece here that you'll probably just have to cut off because it won't work anymore. But with most models, it's just this with no clamps.